Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 1 Good and Service Tax. Chapter 1 Good and Service Tax. Now, Good and Service Tax, abbreviated GST, is an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and service. Supply of good and service. Some terms related to GST. Dealer, any person who buys goods or service for resale is known as dealer, trader A. Can be firm of a company. Intra-state sale, sale of good and service within the same state or union territory are called intra-state sale. Interstate sale, sales of good and service outside the state or union territory are called interstate sale. Input GST and output GST. GST is paid by the dealer or purchase of good and service and is collected from customer on sale of goods and service. GST paid by a dealer is called input GST and collected from a customer is called output GST. Type of taxes under GST. There are three applicable under GST. First is central good and service tax. Second is state good and service tax. Third is IGST. Integrated good and service tax. Integrated good and service tax is levied on interstate sale. Is on sale of good and service outside the state. It is also levied on imports of goods and service into India and on exports of goods and service outside the India. IGST goes to the central government. GST rate structure. Good and service are divided into 5 slabs of collection of GST. Essential item including unpacked food 0%, common use item 5%, standard rate 12%, maximum good and service of all standard rate 12%, luxury and sin tobacco 28%. Input IGST or tax and ITC, input tax credit, CGST credit, SGST, IGST credit. Output GST, first CGST, then IGST. First SGST, UTGST, then IGST. First IGST, second CGST, and then SGST and UDGST. Now start an exercise. Question 1. An article is marked at rupees 15,000. A dealer sells to a consumer 10% profit at the rate of CGST is 12%. Find the selling price excluding of the tax of the article, the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer, the total amount paid by the consumer. Now exercise 1. Mark price is rupees 15,000 and consumer profit 10% and rate of GST is 12%. So selling price is here 15,000 plus 15,000 in 10% because 10% is the profit. So selling price is equal to 16,500. Selling price excluding of the article rupees 16,500. The amount of tax under GST paid 16,500 into 12 upon 100 1980. The amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer is rupees 1980. The total amount paid by the consumer 16,500 plus 1980 is rupees 18,480. Now question number 2. A shopkeeper buy good worth rupees 4,000 and sell that a profit of 20% to a consumer in the same state. If GST is charged at 5%, find the selling price excluding of the goods. CGST paid by the consumer. SGST paid by the consumer. Total amount paid by the consumer. As the sale are intra-state and the rate of GST is 5%, so GST compromises of 2.5% CGST and 2.5% of SGST. Again repeated here, as the sales are intra-state at the rate of GST is 5%, so GST compromises of 2.5% of CGST and 2.5% of SGST. Now selling price here excluding tax, 4,000 plus 4,000 into 20%, 4,000 plus 800, 4,800 is the selling price. Now CGST paid by the consumer, 4,800 into 2.5 upon 100. So answer is here come is rupees 120. Answer is come rupees 120. And CGST same as 4,800 2.5 upon 100, again rupees 120. So total amount to be paid 4,800 plus 120 plus 120. Answer is 5,080. Answer is 5,000 rupees 40. 500 and 5,040. Question 4. A shopkeeper buy an article from a wholesaler for rupees 20,000 and sell it to a consumer at a 10% profit. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the tax liability of the shopkeeper. Wholesaler 20,000. So here GST paid by the shopkeeper. 20,000 into 12 upon 100, 100 is cancelled. Now 200 multiplied by 12 is equal to 2,400. Now selling price of the article shopkeeper, 20,000 plus 20,000 into 10 upon 100, 20,000 plus 200, 22,000. So GST collected by the shopkeeper 22,000 into 12 upon 100, 2,640. Tax liability of the shopkeeper. Tax liability of the shopkeeper 2,640 and 2,400. So 2,240. Answer is 240 rupees 240. Okay children, this video is your not over. Look at here. Question number 5. A dealer buy an article for rupees 6,000 from a wholesaler. The dealer sell the article to a consumer at 15% profit if the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 18%. Find input CGST and SGST paid by the dealer, output CGST and output SGST collected by the dealer, the CGST and SGST paid by the dealer, and total amount paid by the consumer. First of all, mark price rupees 6,000. Input CGST 6,000 into 9 upon 100 is rupees 540. 540. Same as input SGST. Input SGST 6,000 into 9 upon 100, 540. Now selling price 6,000 and 15% profit plus 900, 6,900. So output CGST 6009% into 9 upon 100. 2 zeros cancel here. Now 69 9 jet 621. 621. Output SGST 6900 into 9 upon 100. 2 zeros cancel here. 69 9 jet 621. CST paid by the dealer 621 minus 540 is 81. SGST paid by the dealer 621 minus 540 is 81. So amount paid by the consumer is 6900 plus 621 plus 621 rupees 8142. 8142 amount paid by the consumer. Okay children, this video is your over.